Hi guys, Emergop here. Ang dami nagtatanong sa akin, bakit daw parang may white powder yung deep blue brine shrimp? Ayan, nakita nyo? Kita nyo ba yan? Parang may white powder sa gilid. Well, to answer your question, dalawang reason yan. The first reason is, it contains a pH stabilizer that will help improve the hatching rate of your brine shrimp. And the second reason is, it also contains probiotics which will help improve the overall nutrition of the brine shrimp which your guppies or other fish will eat, and in turn help in their gut digestion. Kaya ayan, sa mga nagtataka, bakit medyo pricey ang deep blue brine shrimp? Una sa lahat, napakaganda ng packaging namin. We invested in quality packaging. Pangalawa, hindi lang brine shrimp ang laman nito. It also contains pH stabilizer that will increase the hatch rate of the brine shrimp. And second, probiotics that will help improve the gut digestion of your guppies and other ornamental fish. And lastly, napakaganda ng customer service namin. If nagkaroon ka ng problem hatching or other problems with the product, we will reply to you immediately sa Shopee, sa TikTok, or sa Facebook page namin to help you solve the problem immediately. Kaya sa Deep Blue, we take pride in quality. Sulit na sulit ang pera mo. Kapag ginagamit mo ang Deep Blue brine shrimp, alam mong nabibigay mo ang best para sa mga isda mo. Yan naman itong mga feeder namin. No? Ganda, di ba? Yan lang naman. Fish out.